Today I'm going to guide you through the steps to install PLINK on your Linux computer. First, you need to click on the link in the description of this video. Go to the download page and download the right version for your Linux system. In this tutorial, I will download the Linux 64-bit version. Click on download and save in the directory that you want. In this tutorial, it would be downloads. There you go. It has been downloaded, the PLINK zip file. Click on it, extract it here to a new folder. You can call it whatever you want. I will call it PLINK. Extract it. Close. To use the PLINK tool, go into PLINK folder. Right click and click on Open in Terminal. And type /PLINK, and there you go. You can use it, but you can only use it inside the PLINK directory. You need to go out of this directory to see what happens. Before that, we're in the download PLINK directory. Now we're in the home directory. We will type /PLINK, and the computer cannot recognize it. So the next step, I need you to type in this command to tell the computer where is the PLINK tool. We will go back to the directory that contains PLINK, which is the download directory. Right click on it, open in terminal. And we will type in this command that I put in the description of this video. Paste it in here. Type in your password. We will tell where is the PLINK tool in your computer. And we will confirm it with this command. Now, I need you to go back to your home page by this command. And go into this file, sudo nano.bashrc. A text editor will open, and I need you to scroll down to the end of this file. You will see, I have already put it in here. I will delete it. There you go. If you open your bashrc file in your computer, it will look like this. I need you to copy and paste it in here at the end of your bashrc file. Now, type Ctrl X and then click on Y, which is yes, and click and type enter. And there you go. The computer can now recognize PLINK wherever directory you are working on. We will try it. PLINK. There you go. The PLINK tool can now be used wherever and whenever you want. We will try open a new terminal. Click on PLINK. Tap on PLINK. There you go. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or error, just type in the comment section. I'll try to reply them all.